Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Fillet, Mirror, create a new plane, and pipe. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make the base. So to create the base, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. Here we have a rectangle with 8 by 137 millimeters, and we needed to extrude this 15 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here 8 by 137 millimeters, and finish the sketch. Go to extrude 15 millimeters, the distance, and press OK. Now we will make the fillet in the corners. The fillet 16 millimeters of radius. So go to modify, select the fillet, select this edge here. The radius 16 millimeters. Press OK. Now we will create this cut in the base. We will make a rectangle here, 3 millimeters by 60. So go to create a sketch, select this face, select the 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here, 3 by 60 millimeters, and go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this rectangle. The extended type, select the all, operation cut, and press OK. Now we will make this profile in the right plane. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a construction line here with 96 millimeters. And we will create two circles. One circle with 90 millimeters of diameter and the other with 70 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and this point of the construction line is 5 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select a line, a construction line, make a line here, 96 millimeters, and select a circle, make a circle here, remove the construction line type, 90 millimeters, and another circle with 70 millimeters. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 5 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select the center of the circle and this point here. Now we will create this line here. This line has 80 millimeters of length, and the angle between this line and this face here is 20 degrees. So select a line, a construction line, make a construction line here, a horizontal line, and select a line again, but remove the construction line type. Make a line here with 8 millimeters of length, and go to sketch go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center of the circle, and go to sketch dimension. The angle between this line and this construction line is 20 degrees. Now at this point here, we will create a line with 3 millimeters and make a line here coincident with the circle, and the same thing to this side. Select line. This line must be perpendicular with this one. The distance here 3 millimeters. Make the same in the other side. Make a line here with 3 millimeters. And make this line coincident with the circle. And go to modify, select the trim, cut here and cut here. Now we needed to extrude this. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. So we needed to extrude this 62 millimeters. So finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 62 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Now we will create this profile. So the distance between the center of the circle and the center of this body here is 70 millimeters. And here we have a circle with 15 millimeters of diameter and an arc here with 22 millimeters of radius. So go to create a sketch and select this face. And go to create, select the project included. Selection filter, select the body. Or select the specified entities. And select this edge. And select this face. Press OK. And here select line, a construction line. Find the center of this line here, make a construction line here. And select the circle. Make a circle here with 15 millimeters. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 70 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the center point here. Now go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click here and the center point. The radius here is 22 millimeters. Make this arc here and select a line. Make a line here. From this point to this line. Now we will create this profile in the other side. So go to project include again and select this edge, press OK. And go to mirror, select this sketch. And the mirror line, select the center line here and press OK. And finish the sketch. Or just to check the dimension here. Finish the sketch. We need to extrude this profile here. And the distance is 18 millimeters. So minus 18 millimeters here. Operation join. And press OK. We made this. Now we will create this profile here in the top face of the base and extrude this to this body. So here we will create a center line here and we will create a line here with 18 millimeters. Create a line here with 8 millimeters and we will create this sketch. The distance between this line here and the center line is 4 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the top face here. I will hide this body a little bit. Select line, a construction line. Find the center of this face and remove the construction line type and go to project and the selection filter. Select the body, select this body and press OK. And select the line again. Make this sketch here. And go to constraints and select equal. Select this line and this one. Select this line and this one. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 36/2. The distance here, 4 millimeters. And the length here is 8 millimeters. Let me check what is wrong here. Go to perpendicular, make this line perpendicular here. And go to mirror, select this line. And the mirror line is this construction line, press OK. we made this profile. So finish the sketch, show the body too. We need to extrude this to this body. So go to extrude. The profile is this one. The direction one side, the extended type, select it to object and select the object, this face, and the extend, select it to adjacent face, operation join, and press OK. Now we will create this hole here. So to create this hole, we will create a new plane, the offset from this face, 10 millimeters, and we will create a line. This line here, the angle between this line and this one, 72 millimeters. So the reference here is the center of the circle. So let's create this. And the diameter of this hole here is 5 millimeters of diameter. So go to construct, select offset plane, select this face, minus 10 millimeters, and press OK. And go to create a sketch, select this new plane, go to create project, include project, select this body here, and select line, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension, the angle between these two lines here, 72 millimeters, 72 degrees, sorry. We made this, finish the sketch, and to create this hole, I will use the pipe. So go to create, select pipe, the path, select this one, and the section size 5 millimeters, operation cut. Let me see if it is cut this face. No, and press OK. We made this. Now to finish this exercise, we need to create this fillet and this one. First, we will create this. So go to modify, select fillet, select this edge. The fillet here is 6 millimeters of radius, and press OK. Now we need to create this fillet here with 10 millimeters. But here, in this case, we need to create a fillet between these two faces. But here in the Fusion, it is not possible. We can't make this. We can't write a fillet by rules between faces. It is not possible. We can't make this. So to create this, we'll go to create a new sketch, select this face, and go to create project, include project, select the bodies here and select this body, press OK. And here we will create an arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. And go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this line, this arc and this line. And the fillet here, the radius is 10 millimeters. Let me see if it is 10 millimeters. So finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, show this body here. And the extrusion here, select extended type to object and select this face. And the operation here is join and press OK. We made this fillet. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.